Alogte Oho, and the sounds of joy all the way from Ghana, West Africa. Very soon we will be playing here. Looking at festival here compared to Ghana, the audience here is very huge. It's very huge. And then the people are so much interested too.
Magnificent, like it's something different, trust me, because I'm looking at how we are being cheered here during our gigs and even after, like it's so extraordinary.
Yeah, there's definitely a difference, you know, because I feel like most of the time people back home from where we are, because like they've been hearing our music like, you know, repeatedly, like since back in the days, they don't really much appreciate it as I would say the British crowd appreciate it, you know, because I feel like maybe they hear it like differently, they're hearing different sounds and it's kind of like new to them and they love it, and so like we kind of see like, you know, like more like good energy and like, you know, good reaction from the British crowd, and it's really nice, yeah. Small gigs, I love it personally, you know, because you see, with the big festivals, it's always like, close at this time, like the crowd is always far from you, but with the smaller gigs, the crowd is like, you know, closer to you, and even when the time is up, you could still like, they could still allow you to play a little bit more even if you want to, you know, like, so it's for me personally, and I feel like for most of the guys too, it's nicer with the smaller crowds and all of that, but I mean, we appreciate the bigger stage as well, yeah. Something I would describe as educative. You obviously travel and then you meet different people doing like different kind of music, funk, bossa nova, like different kind of music across the world, and then obviously you're meeting new musicians, making friends, and like you're being exposed to different kind of music. So I mean, it was like hearing different sounds, and then you're taking what you can take and learn, and like, you know, add to what you have already, and then like just improve on yourself, you know. Our leader, Alogte, what he does is like he gets everybody together and he has this prayer that he wrote and he kind of recites it. Sometimes too, he reads it and then we repeat it after him. Most of the time he's just reciting it and then like we'll just, you know, like together join him in the recital, and then like we just afterwards like, you know, encourage each other, and then we just hop on stage and do our thing, yeah. So, I mean, obviously it looks like a very cool festival, and I'm looking forward to having a nice time after our set, because I heard about the waterfall and I think I want to check it out later, yeah.
In our music, it's a Frafra gospel, and you know every music, there should be a joy there, most especially gospel music. We are preaching to give people courage and more hope, at the same time entertaining them about the word of God. So we have found it, the joy of sounds from the Bible. It's not something that we have just get it by the way, yeah.
Hey guys in the back, enjoying the music? Nice one. So right about now, we want to take you guys to a different dimension. And I don't know, are you guys ready for some funk music? Oh yeah, you are, yeah? Okay, then let's say you go like this.